Stop by and take a look at the 2020 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power tailgate, M Sport package, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.